hurts. What is this pain?
Sebastien may be suffering from a migraine. You may be asking yourself, what is a migraine? Well, a migraine is a severe and painful headache, often accompanied by these things: flashes of light, black spots, tingling in the arms and legs, nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to sound and light.
I got my eyes on you.
A migraine is thought to be a brain malfunction, a central nervous system disorder of the brain, nerves, and blood vessels.
Migraine headaches result from a combination of blood vessel enlargement and the release of chemicals from nerve fibers that coil around these blood vessels. During the headache, an artery enlarges that is located on the outside of the skull, just under the skin of the temporal artery. This causes the release of chemicals that causes inflammation, pain, and further enlargement of the artery. A migraine headache causes the sympathetic nervous system to respond with feelings of nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. This response always leads the emptying of the stomach into the small intestine, affecting food absorption, increases blood circulation, leading to cold and feet, and increases sensitivity to light and sound.
So, what can trigger a migraine? Migraines can seem spontaneous, but most of them are caused by a trigger. A trigger is something that can cause you to have a migraine. Some common triggers are rich foods like ripened cheeses, such as cheddar or brie, chocolate, marinated, pickled, or fermented food that contains nitrates or nitrites, like bacon or hot dogs, and foods that are high in MSG like soy sauce, meat tenderizers, or seasoned salt.
So what parts of the brain are affected? These triggers can cause the hyperexcitation of certain nerve cell nuclei in the brainstem. This releases increased amounts of certain neuropeptides, which then triggers an inflammatory reaction in blood vessels in the dura mater, which is where the brain touches the skull. These enlarged blood vessels cause severe pain in the highly pressure-sensitive dura mater.
How do you prevent a migraine? There are many ways to prevent migraines. Analgesics like aspirin, naproxen, ibuprofen, and acetaminophen can help numb the pain, but they don't address the underlying physiology, primarily the dilation of blood vessels in the brain.
Ergot alkaloids such as ergotamine tartrate are potent drugs that constrict blood vessels. But because nausea is a possible side effect of these migraine drugs, some people take ergotamines in combination with other drugs to prevent nausea. Triptans target serotonin receptors. These drugs cause constriction of blood vessels and bring about a general interruption in the chain of chemical events that lead up to a migraine. There
Are also many
alternative
ways to treat
migraines
such as lifestyle
changes,
like changing your
diet,
avoiding triggers, changing
your
sleeping habits, and
exercise.
to release stress.
How can you prevent a migraine? There are many ways to prevent migraine. Is that coil around the bleed?
These enlarged blood vessels.
And we want me to go like ah.
Yeah.
Was that good? Or
Just do it. Alright.
that's good.